is Elizabeth, and I am reading to you all today from Seattle, Washington. And I chose this book because it is a favorite in my toddler classroom community. And it is called Mama Bird, Baby Birds, written by Angela Johnson and illustrated by Rhonda Mitchell. In the morning, me and sister found birds by the stairs. Baby birds sitting, their mama flying high in the air. Sister says, "Look, Joshua, she's tending to them too." Feeding them, loving them, like Mama does for you. Thank you so much for joining me today.